He's worried because things are changed. Like him. 2 peas in a pod. Hey, don't change things. Don't change them, please. What's the matter, JC? Huh? Don't you like the new floor? What? You gotta put your scent on everything. Yeah, there you go. Rub it. Say, this is JC's. Yeah. Get your smell on it. Then everybody that comes here will know that that furniture belongs to JC. Mm-hmm. Oh, you gotta get it underneath too? Yeah? Now what? Huh? Yeah. Oh, you guys gotta feel the rug. You like that rug? Huh? Now it's JC's rug. Mm-hmm. Where are you going? Huh? Where's JC going? Gonna get in the bookcase again? Yeah? Oh, yeah. You like that? Good rubbing posts, huh? Mm-hmm. What? What, JC? What do you think about all this stuff? Hmm? Yeah. Hmm? What? You rub on enough stuff now? Yeah, the trash can's yours. You can have it.